How to use Craiyon AI to make money. I'm going to show you how you can easily use Craiyon AI to make money. To get started, browse the Craiyon website. You can sign up for a free account, but you may want to first try the site without an account. Now type a description of the image you want generated. You can also add negative words to specify any items you want excluded in your query. Then, choose the type of image you would like to see: art, drawing, or photo. After that, take a moment before you submit your query. Craiyon reminds you to select the style that interests you the most, but you're also able to play around with different keywords, such as illustration, photorealistic, and high definition. Plus, consider joining the Craiyon community on Discord to chat with other users and search for previous images requested by others. After you've entered your description and chosen a style, click the Draw button. With the free tier, you will have to wait a minute or longer for the image to appear. In response, Craiyon displays several images in their own thumbnails. Here, click an image you like, and it appears larger. From there, click the Upscale button to try to improve the resolution and quality. Now pick the Screenshot button to save it as a PNG file. Then click the image to refer to the set of thumbnails of all the results. Below the images, Craiyon may suggest another prompt to fine-tune or modify the results. A set of thumbnails is generated, allowing you to pick one you like and then upscale or save it. A new prompt will also be suggested, which you can modify and try again. To keep track of the images, sign up for a free account by clicking the Sign Up button at the top. To save an image, click its heart icon. After you've saved one or more images, click the Account button at the top and select the option for My Collection. To help earn money and provide you with some cool swag, Craiyon will sell you a $26 t-shirt with your favorite image printed on it. For this, open an image and click the button to print on a t-shirt. Confirm the image, choose the theme of light or dark, and then click Buy. Confirm your size and place your order.